Homemade mint deodorant recipe. A natural and refreshing solution. With the arrival of summer, the hot weather increases sweating and brings the issue of body odor to the forefront, however. Chemical deodorants can be harmful to our skin, and the ingredients in these products may have negative long-term effects on skin health. For those looking for a natural deodorant, mint deodorant is an excellent alternative. It not only prevents body odor with its antibacterial properties, but also does not harm your skin with its natural ingredients. Benefits of mint deodorant. Mint leaves possess natural antibacterial properties that are among the most effective ingredients to prevent body odor at the same time. Its refreshing effect gives your skin a fresh feeling and soothes it during the hot summer months. Apple cider vinegar, another miraculous ingredient, strengthens this natural blend. Apple cider vinegar helps maintain the pH balance of the skin while providing natural skincare. Moreover, apple cider vinegar helps balance excess oil on the skin and cleanses the pores. Mint deodorant recipe. Making homemade mint deodorant is an easy and effective method. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: fresh mint leaves, 3 tablespoons of fresh mint, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of water. Instructions: 1. Tear the fresh mint leaves into small pieces by hand. 2. Place 3 tablespoons of chopped mint in a jar and add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Let it sit in a cool place for a week. C. After 1 week, add 1 cup of water to the mixture and shake it well. Apply the mixture to your skin using a cotton ball. This homemade deodorant creates a refreshing effect, especially during the summer, and naturally cleanses your skin without chemicals. It also helps you maintain the natural balance of your skin with natural products. Why choose natural deodorant? Many personal care products today contain chemicals that can harm the skin and lead to allergic reactions. Chemical deodorants, in particular, can irritate the skin and cause skin problems in the long run. Therefore, homemade and organic deodorants offer a safer alternative while protecting your skin's health. Mint deodorant, like other natural deodorants, not only avoids chemical ingredients, but also provides an environmentally friendly solution made with recyclable materials. Homemade mint deodorant preserves your skin's natural balance without exposing it to harmful substances. As a result, homemade mint deodorant is a great alternative for those who don't want to use chemical deodorants. With its natural ingredients, it nourishes your skin while providing a refreshing effect, especially on hot summer days. The combination of mint benefits and apple cider vinegar offers natural care for your skin, ensuring it looks healthy and well maintained.